Let's just say you've been invited to a birthday party. Alcohol is served at the event, and you drink a little too much. After a great night socializing, you retreat to the couch and fall asleep. But when you wake up, your head hurts, you feel dizzy, and you're exhausted. It's that all too often feeling of a hangover. The worst part is that some studies show that hangovers are most common in light to moderate drinkers than heavy drinkers. A hangover, also called vasalgia cephalgia by medical professionals, has been talked about since biblical times. Seriously, check out Isaiah and Proverbs. Hangovers also affect the economy. A British study estimates that absences from work or poor job performance due to hangovers in the UK cost £2 billion, or about $3.3 billion annually. But anyway, what's going on in your brain? The truth is, scientists don't really know a lot about hangovers. There's plenty of neuroscience research on alcohol addiction and the long-term effects of binge drinking, but not enough on the short-term effects of hangovers. What we do know is that when alcohol is consumed, it is metabolized by the liver's alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme into acetaldehyde in the cell's cytosol. This acetaldehyde is then converted to acetate by acetaldehyde dehydrogenase enzymes within the mitochondria of the cell.
Is that like the powerhouse?
Yes, Chad, that's the powerhouse of the cell.
In most scientific reviews, the buildup of acetaldehyde is considered to be responsible for the hangover. In general, acetaldehyde is never a good thing because of its carcinogenic ability to form DNA adducts. However, a 2010 study with rats showed that acetate, the byproduct of acetaldehyde, may be the main contributor to hangover headaches. This makes sense because acetate supports the formation of adenosine, which can bind to adenosine receptors in the brain that can make us sleepy. Also, since alcohol can make you dehydrated, the headache of the hangover is partially caused by the shrinkage of the dura, which is the membrane that encases our brain. This is why it's important to stay hydrated. Alcohol can also remove valuable electrolytes that we get from food, as well as deplete our essential vitamins, especially vitamin B. Lack of vitamin B can make us lose energy. Most of all, alcohol can affect your sleep. According to studies involving rodents, the amount of alcohol correlated with more disruptions in slow-wave sleep. Slow-wave sleep is recognized as delta waves, and it is important for memory consolidation. Although more research is necessary, there is some evidence that the hangover period impairs the motility of cilia along brain ventricles. These are the finger-like organelles that rhythmically push cerebrospinal fluid out of the brain's crevices to remove dead cells and debris. There is also some evidence that a hangover induces mitochondrial dysfunction in mice.
Whoa. It messes with the powerhouse of the cell?
I mean, we don't know for sure, Chad, but there's evidence of it.
Okay, I'm still gonna crack open some cold ones with the boys, though.
That's fine, but when you do, you should know that there are some types of alcohol that are more likely to give you a hangover than others. Congeners are natural byproducts of the alcohol fermentation process to remain in alcoholic beverages. They can exacerbate symptoms of a hangover. The concentration of congener correlates with the darkness of the drink. While you could just avoid congener-heavy drinks, a cure for a hangover is still needed. Whether it's pickled sheep eyeballs in ancient Mongolia, rabbit dung in the American Wild West, or raw eels in medieval Europe, humankind for centuries has been galvanized to find a cure for hangovers. This is your health conscience, and we hope you are now better informed on the neuroscience of hangovers. Thank you for watching.